A beloved local barbecue restaurant is really cooking these days and hits the small screen for a featured segment. WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ryan Brooks joins us now live in studio with the details. Ryan.
B.E. Scott's Barbecue out of Lexington hits the nationwide SEC Network for a cooking segment on their True South series to show off their culinary talents, Southern style. True South, a James Beard Award-nominated limited series on SEC Network, showcases Southern food and culture. True South's host John Edge travels to many Southern gems and makes a stop right here in West Tennessee at the B.E. Scott's Barbecue in Lexington.
We filmed for a few days. Filming process isn't very difficult. You go through cuts and let's redo that, because you're going to mess up recording, on camera, but I've always enjoyed it.
We asked the owner what's the most popular item on the menu.
A pulled pork sandwich. Make sure you put slaw on it because, as Pat Martin says, that's the way God intended it.
B.E. Scott's Barbecue has been cooking barbecue their way since 1962.
The business was passed down to Zach's dad when Mr. Early Scott retired, and then after Zach's dad passed away, it was passed to Zach. So he just really grew up in the barbecue business, grew up learning how to cook hogs and just that kind of thing.
Parker's wife tells us the characteristics that make him stand out in the community.
He is very determined and driven, and he has come so far, and I'm just so proud of the man that he is.
The True South series, now in its 6th season, revolves around 2 food stories told from one place, which True South sits in conversation to make larger points about Southern beliefs and identities. Residents of Lexington are not shy to admit this barbecue joint is worthy of all its many awards and accolades.
People in Lexington really go above and beyond to support me, and I couldn't be any prouder to be from Lexington.
B.E. Scott's Barbecue is located at Highway 412 in West Lexington. Live in studio, Ryan Brooks, WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News.
Now, if you want to watch tonight's full episode, you can stream that on True South on ESPN+.